watching A Night of the Seven Kingdoms. It's episode 2, and last time we had a situation where Dunk and Egg met, and Dunk went to the tournament. He can't enter. He needed Sir Manfred of Ostendarian to vote for him, but Sir Manfred was like, no, I don't remember you, so no. He did meet some Fossaways, Sir Stefan, and the cousin. I don't think we got the name of the cousin. He also met Lionel Baratheon, and they formed a little nice companionship there. And yeah, anything else? Yeah, and Sir Egg made his way to the tournament, and they agreed to partner up, and so now Egg is Dunk's squire, and and he also said Ser Duncan the Tall instead of just Sir Dunk, which is a ridiculous name. Sir Dunk? No. Ser Duncan the Tall? Yes. Okay, so it's now episode 2, and let's get into it.
You might not remember him, but
Stay there. I'm coming back.
he was a true knight.
Oh,
Than other men, yeah. He had a peaceable nature. Quiet and humble. A veteran of 100 wars, but an enemy to none.
wow. Did not expect that.
He always knew what was expected of him. He just got on with it.
Wow. What an opening.
It did not make him rich. He held no lands. Sired no children. His skills as warrior were unsung. Dogged fighter. He kept on coming.
Oh yeah. You can see the cut
How's Florence?
the wound getting worse.
Your guard when your lord father lost his sight.
Make of my love, I'm a rest in the shade. Hey-oh.
How's Tyrell? Sir Erlen often spoke of his time in your service as his very finest. He said it was you, my lord, who told him that a hedge knight was the bridge between lords and the small folk.
I know him not, man.
Was he a shit knight?
Yes,
Well, he can't have been a very good one if no one remembers him.
exactly.
This is undignified, sir.
Very.
Though it does not seem like his lords are even listening to you.
Nothing I can
Rough.
do about that.
Yep.
Beyond Thorn Tyrell, turn his offsword into a lance hole.
Okay.
Why do you treat these royal lapdogs like they're your betters?
They are my betters. You're too brazen for your own good. Who's come?
Can't you see the banner, you giant cunt?
Perhaps I should go back, sir. Check on the camp. Make sure no thieves have been nosing about. Or a mace.
You have a knife, that's enough.
It's very
Come back. Rob me, and I'll hunt you down with dogs.
okay.
I'll get some.
Where?
Oh!
Very curiously, he ran when the Targaryen showed up. Yep. I guess they're not making it very subtle of who Egg is, but yeah.
Boys, stop gaping. Sit my horse.
I'm not a stable boy, my lord.
Well, if you can't manage horses, then fetch me some wine and a pretty wench.
Oh, I'm doing not
My lord pardons. I'm no serving man either.
exactly. Don't do any of that, please.
I have the honor to be a knight.
Knighthood has fallen on sad days.
Oh, whoa!
Easy now, come on.
I was gonna say some choice words about that Targaryen guy right there, but not right now. Yeah.
I'm Ser Duncan the Tall.
Well met. I'm Sir Roland Craycole, and this is my sworn brother, Sir Donald of Duskendale. Do you ride your horse into battle, or does it ride you?
Forgive Sir Roland, it's not often he must look up to cast his eyes down.
Is there a proper place to shit around here?
Not really, no.
A man of such birth has never deigned to disturb his arsehole with hay.
He'll deign before the week is out, I'd wager.
Yeah.
You're not a Darkling of Duskendale.
We were crabbers of Duskendale.
Oh.
Ser Donald!
A lowborn too.
May
who
I
became
ask,
a knight.
How the son of a
Kingsguard.
crabber came to have the honour of being a knight in the Kingsguard?
Same way we became crabbers.
You just did it,
Are you Baelor Targaryen?
I guess.
No.
Then would you move the fuck out of the way?
Why is he following her?
Aeron has done this before. You should not have commanded him to enter the lists.
The prince's sons are missing. Probably dead.
No.
Wars have started for less.
They're not dead.
You're big and stupid.
Okay.
Have only been missing today.
Weird.
No doubt Sir Roland will turn him up and Aegon along with
Do not need to be reminded of my son's failings. Can change. He will change. Gods be damned.
I'll swear I'll see him dead. You.
Who are you? What do you mean by spying on us?
My lords, I do apologise for my interruption. I have asked Sir Manfred Dondarrion to vouch for me so that I might enter the lists, but he has refused to do so.
What the fuck is going on?
And others too. They say they know not Sir Erlen of Pennytree.
Sword and shield do not make a knight.
Yeah, keep quiet.
Unless you have better proof to support.
Nobody cares what you have to say, bro.
Do you remember him, Your Grace? Many years ago.
Oh?
You may have forgotten.
Sir Arlen of Pennytree. He never won a tourney that I know, but he never shamed himself either.
Yes, sir.
And years before he unhorsed the Grey Lion himself.
He told me of that many a time.
Then you will recall the Grey Lion's true name.
Oh boy, you better remember.
Sir Daemon Lannister, the Grey Lion. He's Lord of Casterly Rock now.
So he is. We broke 4 lances before I finally unhorsed him.
It was 7. Believe.
Tales grow in the telling, I know. Do not think ill of your old master, but it was 4 lances.
As you say, Your Grace, it was 4. I do apologise that I was thick as a castle wall and slow as an oryx.
No harm was done, sir. Rise.
Sir Erlen often told me that you were the soul of chivalry, and that one day the 7 kingdoms would be safe in your hands.
You wish to enter the lists, is that it?
Yes.
The decision rests with the master of the games, but I see no reason to deny you.
As you say, my lord.
Oh, lovely.
Very well, sir. You are grateful. Now fuck off.
His sons went astray on the way here, and he fears for them.
I trust they will not be found dead.
No, go. Get out. Move. Yes, leave.
By law, only a true-born son is entitled to inherit a knight's arm. You must needs find a new device, a sigil of your own.
I will fight bravely. You'll see.
I believe you.
It's this way.
You are Florian the Fool.
I am, my lady.
Oh, he's enamored with her.
As great a fool as ever lived.
Showing up to her performance is just so, yeah. Of course, there's not a lot of entertainment, so it makes sense. Oh yeah, my boy is...
Hello there.
Very much googly eyes.
Is it pollen?
Yeah, we collected on the way.
Smart.
Could you paint something for me?
Why?
I have the coin to pay.
Oh, okay.
I need to paint something over the chalice.
Well, what would you want?
I don't actually know. Sorry, don't think me a fool.
All men are fools. All men are knights.
Oh, yes, yes.
Because the old man always liked sunsets, and
An elm tree, like the one by the river, with the brown trunk and the green branches.
but with a shooting star above.
Oh,
You do that?
nice.
Tansel, the
The boys used to call me Tansel Too Tall.
Oh, that's why she found it funny.
Not too
Nice.
tall. I mean, you're just right for...
4.
Puppets.
Yeah, puppets.
Puppets.
Yeah.
Wait, the
yes,
shield.
sorry. Yes,
Yeah.
the shield. Was that ill-handled? The puppet girl?
Yes, it was.
It just, it didn't feel well-handled.
It was okay. It was okay.
You are both gigantic.
Is that promising?
Yeah, it is.
It's
some
commonality.
Yeah.
I'm a bit puny,
You'll grow.
even for my age. Everyone's always told me so.
Everyone's always told me I was stupid.
And what?
What?
Yeah,
What did you do when people said you were stupid, sir?
What
Nothing.
business is that of yours?
My
problems are my own.
I thought you're trying to help me.
Help you what? Grow?
Will you heed my call to war?
Yes.
Wait, there's this! I'll be drowning, you fastball! I'll be back.
What? You can't just.
What are you doing?
You can't leave.
I'm thirsty, cunt.
Looking good.
Yeah. I love where they're having fun.
You're a big one. I've armored bigger.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
Good steel. Strong and plain. I make helms that look like helms, not winged pigs and fancy foreign fruit.
Yeah, that's all he needs.
800 stack. If I'm feeling kindly.
800? Perhaps I could trade you some armour made for a smaller man. Mail halberd?
Steely pate. Sells only his own work.
Mm. You're gonna have to find someone else to sell to buy it.
Could make use of the metal.
Yes,
It's
yes.
not too rusted. I'll take it. 600.
I only have 2 stags.
Buys you a day.
I mean to be a champion here.
Do you now?
Yes.
And the others all came just to cheer you on.
I love the earnestness. You will, good. You got it, bro. You got it, Ser Duncan.
If I win, I'll come back and buy you again. I promise.
Oh.
See, she has some oats tonight. Yeah.
That's sad. He has to do that.
An
But
apple too.
he needs to compete, so to get money. So maybe it'll impress. If he doesn't win, maybe it'll impress like a lord or something. So
No turning back now, I suppose.
Yep. Unfortunately, that it is.
He's never a champion.
It's bugging my cider.
Maybe some great house might take me into its service. I'll have you know, Ser Donald of the Kingsguard is but the son of a crabber.
His father owns half the crabbing fleets in Westeros.
Oh.
What? How would you know?
Like fishing.
Sure. Likely story. Is it like a ceremony type thing? Weird.
Prince Valar. Baelor's son. Second in line to the throne.
He's the favourite, I'd wager.
I'll take that bet, sir.
Oh, I think it's already started. The tournament. Interesting.
Lord Ashford Fox's sheep!
Yeah, how are you gonna do that? Oh! Whoa! Oh no! You got this, Ser Duncan. Chill, chill.
Do you blackfire bastard! Ah, yeah! The part with the fish was disgusting.
I agree. I agree.
Do great knights live in the hedges and die by the side of a muddy road? I think not.
Correct. For the most part, yeah.
He drank and he whored, and he was a hard man to know. He had no friends either.
Very true.
Nigh on 60 years and never was a champion. What chance do I have? Truly.
More than him?
But he was good to me. He raised me to be an honourable man.
Very true. Can't lie about that. That's very true.
Noble lords can't even remember his name.
Yeah. Rough.
His name was Sir Arlen of Pennytree. And I am his legacy. We will show them what his hand has wrought.
Yeah. Love that. Nice. Oh, that was... Okay, so this is episode 2. It's called Harold Salt Beef. And so we saw Duncan like trying to petition various knights and lords and everybody to remember Sir Arlan, and nope, no, none of them remembered him. And we also met with the Targaryens and the Knights of the King's Guard. I also met the Too Tall, and actually like met her proper this time. Also he met the armorer. I don't think we got a name. If we got a name, I don't remember it. Sorry. Steely plate, something like that. Yeah. And we saw a joust. We saw at the start of the tournament, we saw some jousting. And yeah, anything else? And then we got a moment of reflection. Right. So that's what happened. For this one, it was interesting because when Dunk is trying to get the knights and everybody to try and remember Sir Arlan to get them to vote for him, right? Nobody's remembered him, and Dunk is trying to, saying these great things about him and all of this and all that, but then you see the flashbacks and he was like kind of it's kind of true, but it's a little exaggerated, Dude was, yeah, like you said, whoring. He whored. He was a sellsword basically, and just like a hedge knight who died under a tree, like not after like a great battle, just old age, and because he's too poor to get proper care and all of that, and just buried in like a little hole in the ground, some random place. And then, like he died in a war and like a battle or anything, So it's like this identity that Dunk has built up for him is kind of not true, and we see that reflection in the end where Dunk is like questioning things. It's like, okay, so my master was all these things, bad things, but I'm his legacy, and I have to prove to everybody that he was worth something. I'm his legacy. I'm going to make sure his name is remembered, and luckily for him, Baelor Targaryen remembers the name of Sir Arlan because they met once, and Sir Arlan told this story like a million times, and Baelor is because of who he is. He's like this he's second in line, and he's trying to show he's like this righteous, I don't know whether it was something, I don't know my name. And of course he remembers Sir Alan and Makar is like, oh, you remember that? Oh, please. Like, you can see that the difference between them two there, and Dunk in the presence of the royalty is just like bumbling and all that. You saw the master of the games like, oh, be careful, boy. You tread in dangerous grounds here. But yeah, that was fun. That was a nice little scene. And hey, it's like one of the highest authorities in the land. Of course, the master of the games has to remember us to like let it pass. Like, oh, the prince says so. Oh, of course, sure. Go ahead. And we also see some of the princes are missing. Yeah, more to come for that. And what is this? And then we move to Tassel Too Tall, where Dunk has to repaint the shield because he can't use Sir Arlan's stuff because, and you see that because like he's not his lineage, that their blood lineage, so you can't inherit all his stuff like that. You can take his like shield and whatever, and his sword and whatever, but you have to do your own thing with it. And so he did it. And Dunk comes up, Sir Egg comes up with that the elm tree, and then Dunk has the shooting star referencing where they were sleeping, and they saw the shooting star that night, the falling star. Yeah, nice. I love that. I like nice little touch. I respect it. And Dunk embarrassing himself, and he's not trying to flirt, but you can tell he's like really likes her. He showed up to her second play twice in a row. Last night, and then today, and then he's like, he really likes her, and he's like, but that was cool. So more to come for that, hopefully. Yeah, and we got the tug of war. And Lionel just like takes a break in the middle. It's like, I'm thirsty. The drink. Come on, man. That was funny. You're like, your team depends on you. We can't just lose you. It's Egg at the front. That's still the guy. You can't do it. And then Dunk has to sell his horse because in order to pay for that what's it called? Pay for the armor and all of that, and so that sucks. But hopefully he can win enough to buy them back and stuff. Hopefully. And then yeah, next is what was it? Come on, my memory is going. Right, and then we'll see the jousting, and then and Dunk makes him next to the Kingsguard earlier in the day, and also a prince, not the Baelor or Makeup, but one of their sons or whatever, and he was just like, I had some trust words in my mind for that guy. And Ser Duncan of Duskendale, he's like, oh, my family are crabbers, but they own like a fleet of crab ships. Like, bro, you tremendously underplayed your family. Of course, so they're wealthy. Of course, you learned how to fight. You had your family could afford to pay for your training and everything. Come on, man, please. Made it sound like he came like from the bottom. He was like they were just like humble merchants and stuff, but no, they own the fleets, a fleet. Yeah. And we went to the jousting, and that was like intense, nice little action scene. And then Dunk is like, kind of freaked out by it, but it's like, and Egg is also, because like Egg was wondering how he's gonna be able to do it, and because he's small and everything. And then yeah, so nice little setup for the future with Dunk making the pledge to make sure people remember Sir Arlan, and yeah, nice little setup, and interested to see what happens next. Those are my thoughts. Goodbye.